I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power availability. Look for 12V or switched USB at the center console. Then gather the wireless pad kit, a fuse tap, connectors, multimeter, heat shrink, and zip ties. Once done, remove the small trim pieces to expose the factory harness or USB power inlet and identify a switched fuse in the fuse box so the pad only powers with ignition. Make sure to keep screws and clips organized. You will access the wiring next, so work methodically and safely. Now route the pad cable neatly from the console opening to the fuse box using existing grommets. Avoid sharp edges and moving parts. Once routed, use the ATA circuit plugged into a switched fuse. Verify 12V with your multimeter before connecting to prevent constant drain. Crimp or solder the power and ground connections, then heat shrink for insulation. After that, position the pad adhesive so the coil aligns with typical phone placement. Press firmly and secure the cable with zip ties every 3 to 4 inches for vibration resistance. Finish by reinstalling trim and making sure the pad sits fully flush so the phone naturally aligns with the charging coil. Then test with your phone. You should see the charging indicator within a few seconds. If not, power down and recheck. Make sure there is no excessive heat or whining. If it fails, verify the ATA circuit fuse, confirm you have 12V only with ignition on, and recheck the ground. Also remove any metal phone case that often blocks charging. Troubleshoot methodically and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.